Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer a data into another activity. Let's start. First of all, you have to make an ID for this. I choose an ID by the name of user message, and also you have to choose an ID for another activity text. I use display message ID for this, and after that you have to go to the main activity. In the main activity we use EditText because we want to take input from user, and with find view by ID we take the ID of that. After that we change into a string, and after that when you wanna convey a data into another activity you have to write it inside of this intent.put extra, and after that you have to go to the another activity, and here you have to use string I use text view because I wanna save this, store this inside of this. If you wanna don't take, doesn't matter. Let's see it. Let's write something here. Hello from Android Studio. Let's click. Yes, it works. Let's change the text. From USA, click. Yes, it worked properly. Thanks for your watching. We will see again in another video. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.